Hello guys, my name is Madhur and welcome to my channel. This is the 20th tutorial in the series of tutorials on Unix shell scripting. Now in this tutorial we're gonna continue our discussion on positional parameters. I was slightly disappointed with myself. My performance in the last tutorial was bad, but in this tutorial I'm going to clarify positional parameters perfectly for you guys. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open my text editor and I'm gonna create a script file and I'm gonna call it ss5.sh. This is the fifth script file we're creating in this course, ss5.sh, and I'm gonna save it in my home directory. And what this script file is going to do is I'm going to execute this program in the terminal and I'm going to provide it a name as an argument at the time of execution, and I'll use chmod command in my script, and the chmod command is basically going to change the permissions of any one of the files I have in my home directory, and I'm going to use 744 permissions, which means that the owner of the file will have permission to read, write, as well as execute the file as a program. Now that's not default permissions. The default are 644, so we're gonna change that. And then of course, since I'm gonna pass the name of the file as an argument, the name would be stored in the positional parameter $1, and when I execute 744.1, the permission of the file would be changed. And we can also see that by having ls-l and then the name of the file, which is still in $1. And I'll save this and I'll open my terminal and then I'll execute this file using ss5.sh. Now let me first run ls first for you guys, and we can see what all files we have. We have all these script files, and I can change the permission of any one of these files. This program will not apply to a directory obviously, so let me first clear my terminal, and maybe I'll change the permissions of ss1.sh and make it an executable file. So sh, the program ss5.sh is the file that we've just created, and I'm going to change permissions of ss1.sh. So when I press the enter key, ls-l tells me that ss1.sh now has the permission to execute as a program, and this permission is only available for the owner. So this reflects the new permission set, which is 744. And that was it. Now I guess you people must have a slightly better idea. You people must be having a slightly better idea of positional parameters. Now if you want to set positional parameters in a shell script, you can obviously do that by passing arguments to the program, but you can also do it using a command called set. When I type in set at the terminal and when I type in some text after it, like shell scripting is cool, and press the enter key, nothing really shows up, but then I can echo my positional parameters one by one and find the words of the sentences that I just set. So $1 holds shell, and $2 would hold scripting, then $3 would hold is, and $4 would hold cool, and the exclamation mark. So that is it. You can use set command directly in your terminal or in your shell scripts to set the positional parameters. Now if I execute the set command again with a different sentence, like YouTube is the best site on the web, right? And if I press the enter key, then my previous values of positional parameters will be overwritten, and $1 will now have YouTube, $2 will have is, $3 will have the, so on and so forth. My positional parameters will have new values, and if I want to view my positional parameters, then I can view them one by one as I did just a few seconds ago, but I can also view them all in one go by pressing dollar and then the asterisk symbol, The asterisk symbol, as I mentioned earlier in this course, refers to everything. So $* would mean echo all the positional parameters, and when I press the enter key, I see my sentence, the one that I just said. So there you go. That was enough on positional parameters. I hope you have a better picture of it in your mind, and in the next tutorial we'll discuss something important again. And thank you so much for watching this one, and please subscribe to my channel.